day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. As always, just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screens. But let's start with today's trading session. It's been very volatile. The markets have just opened here in the US. We had the Bank of England come out this morning and announce that they're going to be buying back some of their long-term bonds. So, of course, they're trying to bluster the British pound as it's recently had a terrible track record against the US dollar, declining significantly. I think the pound to dollar, which was once upon a time at 1.4 dollars for a pound, is now all the way down at 1.05. So huge declines there and massive implications, not just for the UK and the US, but just for the global economy, with regards to imports, exports, etc. Of course, UK is a country that imports a lot of goods, and now things have just got a lot more expensive, and of course they export a lot of goods. So for other countries, things have started to become a lot cheaper, which the UK is not going to be happy about. So it's moving the market significantly. I think the Nasdaq100 is at a very pivotal moment at this moment in time. I think going into tomorrow and Friday's trading session, we are going to see a bounce. That is my anticipation. We're going to see a nice little rally, perhaps up towards 11,750, maybe even 12,000. And I think going into next week, we are going to see a capitulation where we go and create a new yearly low, and things will start to look extremely scary. And then as of Wednesday next week, guys, and I've been saying this for the past couple of weeks, last 4, 5, 6 weeks, I've been saying this. I haven't changed my mind, this week or anything. I've stuck by my guns, and I've got this market spot on so far. But as of mid next week, we are likely to see a very violent rally towards the upside, and things are really shaping up. I actually named 10 things in my analysis group, which I can show you. Here we go. Here are the 10 reasons, 10 fundamental reasons as to why we are super bullish, and we're looking for a nice significant rally going into the end of 2022. So as I mentioned, go and scan this QR code to go and see those 10 reasons. Once you're part of that group chat, just simply scroll up. But yeah, as of next week, I really am anticipating a strong rally into the end of October. End of October, we could potentially get a minor pullback to go and retest some of the gains that we've just had. And then going into the months of November and December, I am expecting a very strong end to the year. So I do see this as a buying opportunity, and I just want to make it clear. I just want to clarify that this is not me coming out saying that I think it's going to be the official bottom, but I do believe next week we will get a tradable bottom for 2022. Can we go down to 10,500, potentially even 10,000? Absolutely, definitely possible, but I think it's more in 2023 rather than at the end of 2022. We are entering into a very bullish time of the year. Seasonality wise, October all the way through to January, February is very bullish. So I am starting to turn bullish here. I've started to nibble. I've been buying since the June 16th, dollar cost averaging in, because ultimately I do expect us to go and trade above that 13,600 area. I've stopped short-term selling. I was a short-term seller from 12,000 all the way down to 11,100. I've closed all my sales, and I've started to buy some short-term buy positions as well, which I will look to trade over the next week or so. But all of the dollar cost averaging that I've done since 13,600 on the 16th of August, that is a long-term position which I do not think I will close for the next 6 to 12 months at least.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.